Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Green Giant Arborvitae. First, select an ideal planting site. These beautiful evergreens thrive in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good drainage is crucial, so avoid areas where water tends to pool. For a lush privacy screen, space your arborvitae 5 to 15 feet apart, depending on your desired density. Proper site selection sets the stage for healthy growth and a stunning landscape. Now, let's prepare the planting hole. You'll want to dig a hole that is 2 to 3 times wider than the arborvitae's root ball. This extra width gives the roots plenty of room to spread out and establish themselves. The depth of the hole should be just enough so that the top of the root ball sits level with the surrounding ground. Loosening the soil around the hole also helps new roots grow easily. With your hole ready, it's time to plant. Carefully remove the Green Giant Arborvitae from its container, being gentle with the root ball. Place the plant into the center of the hole, making sure the top of the root ball, or the root flare, is level with the surrounding soil. Then, begin backfilling the hole with the native soil you dug out, gently tamping it down to remove any large air pockets. Finally, proper watering and care are essential for your new arborvitae. Water the plant thoroughly immediately after planting, ensuring the entire root ball is moist. For the first year, aim to water deeply 2 to 3 times per week, especially during dry periods. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base, keeping it a few inches away from the trunk to prevent moisture issues. This helps retain soil moisture and regulate temperature.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.